Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest beauty products and offer honest, expert reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo, an indulgent, high-end product designed for those with damaged hair. Whether you're dealing with color-treated hair, heat styling damage, or just overall wear and tear, this shampoo claims to help restore strength and shine. Let's see if it lives up to its luxury price tag and lofty promises. The Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo comes in a hefty 33.8 oz bottle, making it a salon-sized option for those who are serious about their hair care routine. It's specifically formulated for damaged hair, offering a blend of natural botanicals and advanced technology designed to repair and restore your locks. Some of the key ingredients include Bio-Restorative Complex, which is packed with vitamins and natural oils that promote healthier-looking hair. You also get the benefit of Oribe's signature Côte d'Azur scent, a rich, luxurious fragrance that elevates the experience with every wash. When you first pump this shampoo into your hand, the texture is rich and creamy. It lathers up beautifully and spreads through the hair with ease. I found that a little goes a long way, which is a plus given the large bottle size. The scent is absolutely divine, warm, floral, and slightly sweet, without being overwhelming. I was genuinely excited to get started, knowing that I was about to pamper my hair. Over the course of a few weeks, I tested this shampoo with regular use, both in the mornings and as part of my evening wind-down routine. The shampoo itself didn't strip my hair or leave it feeling dry, which is a common issue with some repairing formulas. Instead, it left my hair feeling hydrated and nourished after every wash. The real benefit, though, is the noticeable improvement in the texture and strength of my hair. It felt less brittle, softer to the touch, and shinier than before. Now, as much as I love the results, there are a few things to consider. The price tag is a significant factor. Oribe is a luxury brand, and this shampoo is priced accordingly. If you're used to drugstore options or budget-friendly shampoos, this may seem like an extravagant splurge. While it delivers on its promises of repair and shine, I can't help but feel it's a more specialized product for people really looking to invest in their hair care. As for alternatives, there are definitely other repairing shampoos on the market that provide similar benefits for a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but still effective, I'd recommend checking out brands like Olaplex or Redken, which also offer excellent formulations for damaged hair. That said, Oribe's Gold Lust shampoo does offer a luxury experience, both in terms of the product's performance and the sensory indulgence that comes with the signature scent and rich texture. Now, regarding build quality and longevity, this shampoo is designed to last. The large bottle means you're getting a lot of product, so it'll last for quite some time even with regular use. The packaging itself is sleek and stylish, reflecting Oribe's luxury brand identity, but it's also practical and easy to use. As far as customer support goes, Oribe is known for having a solid reputation. While I haven't had any direct interactions, their customer service is generally highly rated, and they've been praised for responsiveness in dealing with any inquiries or issues. In conclusion, Oribe Gold Lust Repair and Restore Shampoo is a fantastic product if you're seeking to invest in high-quality hair care. It delivers visible results with improved texture, strength, and shine. However, with a premium price tag, it's not for everyone, especially if you're on a budget. If you're willing to splurge, though, it's a wonderful addition to your hair care routine, especially for those with damaged or color-treated hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did you love it, or were you left wanting more? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.